Today I am shopping in Shoprite, and I am looking for beverages and possibly salty snacks. I decided to shop here because I am hosting a gathering for my niece's 40th birthday party. So on the list are items that I need for the party. And so, again, I am in a Shoprite, and I'm looking for certain items for her. So, the first thing I'm looking for would be some drinks. I'm actually looking for the Canada Dry ginger ale. I would prefer to have it in the box. And here we are. I wish they had it though in the mini. It doesn't look like they do. Not here anyway, so I'm gonna keep looking. And so, let's see what I can find. And so, I'm going to keep going. I'm looking in the aisle for ginger ale. I would rather have the minis because we will be making what we call mocktails. It will not be anything served with alcohol, but we will be doing mocktails. And I see the Canada Dry minis. Here they are. So what I'm gonna do is get 1, 2 of these. And the reason why I like Canada Dry is because of the taste. And it is caffeine free. So that's the reason why I'm choosing that particular brand for today. So as you can see, I purchased 2 of those because it would be about 10 of us. And then, I don't think that there's anything as far as improving this shopping experience thus far. I know exactly where to go as far as the drinks are concerned. But now I need to find the salty snacks. So I am looking for potato chips, but I want them to be individually wrapped. I'm not really particular about the brand because I probably will get a variety of snacks. So what I'm going to do is, let's see, look for the snacks. Now, as you can see, they have some on the end caps here, but I would rather, again, find the ones that are, let's say, individual. So, this is the different Shoprite, so let me go this way. Because also, I plan on buying some more drinks. I'm looking for like a lemonade. As far as lemonade is concerned, I do like Turkey Hill. And here it is. Again, I'm buying all these things for a party that I'm having or hosting for my niece. So I'm going to get the strawberry lemonade. I already have this lemonade, the yellow lemonade, so to speak, or the original. So let me stand here and gather myself just for one moment. snacks. Here we go. Guess I got turned around. Already have the tea. So let me look down here. I'm actually looking for the snacks that are in boxes. And these again will be consumed at the birthday gathering for my niece. And so here are different things, or let's say a mixture of things. The only thing I don't like in this one is the vinegar. So that would not be something that I would pick up. It's only 10 bags here of those chips. This more looks like a party mix because you can get cheese curls, popcorn, party mix, all types of bags, and it's 18 in this box. Expecting approximately 10 guests. I already have some, but I want to make sure that I have enough. So this was easy to find. Layout was pretty good. Did not have to search really all over the floor or the store. Just looking for what I needed, and I found everything that I needed. So again, I am shopping in Shoprite today, and I found my salty snacks along with the beverages, and they are non-alcohol beverages that I will be consuming with family and friends. And this ends my video for today.